Hello and welcome back to another Stonksy video. Today we're going to be looking at some recent trades I've been taking on stream, showing you exactly what we've been doing, performance of them, and of course showing you the benefits to come and tuning in on stream while I am on there. And of course trading on BLOFIN as well, the benefits of trading on an exchange like BLOFIN. So you can obviously create your account today. The link is in the description. It's non-KYC and you can sign up in under a minute. So go and do that. Obviously come and join me on stream as well. Trade alongside me and come and obviously have a look at what we cover the market in. We'll go into more detail on that in this video, but yeah, click the like button, make sure you subscribe, and of course click that link in the description, sign up to BLOFIN and come and join where the whales trade. Now, we have recently got back into live trading on stream. We did a lot of it a while ago and then it kind of fizzled out, but I've brought it back because obviously it's what everyone's interested in, it's what everyone wants to do, and of course it makes the streams a lot more interesting when I'm live trading on stream. So, going back to last week, obviously I'm filming this on a new week, so we're talking about last week's trades. Now, first thing first, what you want to do is obviously acknowledge this is a low margin account. We don't use a huge margin account on stream. So we will obviously be looking at the USDT gained in it, but also the main thing is the P&L, because the P&L percentage, you can take that and apply it to a larger account, such as $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 account, and obviously do the conversion for what that would have made in a larger account size. But we took one Bitcoin short, we then closed that out, we took another Bitcoin short, then we took a short on Pengu, which was the best trade of last week. We then took a Bitcoin long and an app long, which wasn't open for long and did net a positive return. Very small amounts of USDT, but did get over 4% P&L wise. So that is a great return in terms of P&L percentage. Now, if you aren't tuning in, do make sure you come and visit me on my streams. I stream every single day, Monday to Friday. We do 2-hour streaming. Then I do stream on a Sunday evening as well to do a weekly recap, look at what's happened in the market, and obviously looking ahead to next week. So you get 6 days with me a week, which you should definitely take advantage of. Make sure you come and tune in. And I do have guests on every single week as well. But as you can see, they go on for roughly 2 hours. We cover the build up to US Open, which also falls in line with getting all the US data releases, such as CPI, NFP, PPI, all that good stuff. Obviously then covering into US Open, and then get the first 30 minutes of the US market being open, so we get that volatility as well and that price action. So it's definitely worth tuning in if you're able to, and make sure you hop in, even if it's not for the full amount. Come in, say hi, and obviously you can ask me any questions live in there, whether it be about using Stonksy or whether it be about the market in general, or just anything that is on your mind or thoughts or feelings. But yeah, make sure you come and tune in. Obviously this is where I went through all of these trades. Now you can see exactly my thought process on taking, I believe it was the first trade out of that list. This is the video on the channel, Trading Profits with Stonksy, outlining and taking a trade. I believe that was covering the first one that we took last week. So do make sure you hop over and check out that video. But yeah, come and make sure you join. Obviously, BLOFIN is the best non-KYC exchange. So it's non-KYC. You sign up in under a minute with just an email. You have your account, and then you don't have to KYC to deposit or withdraw funds. It's a fantastic exchange. They've got great customer service as well if you do have any issues. But in terms of an exchange, the user experience is fantastic. There's never any issues with depositing, moving funds around the exchange, withdrawing. And of course, the interface is fantastic, very easy to use, and looks very, very nice too. So yeah, do make sure you grab your account if you haven't already, or of course you can make more than one. People often use one account on one exchange, but you could have several. You know, if you want to split it across multiple different accounts, if you want to have one for spot, one for futures trading, whatever it may be, you can do that. But of course, make sure you get yourself some great welcome bonuses when you use that Stonksy link in the description. But this is the type of thing we're going to be looking at doing on stream now more often. So what I'm going to do now is cover obviously how we came to conclusions to take all these trades, because, you know, obviously hitting 5 in a row is not going to last forever. At some point you obviously do have a loser, but we're on a great hot streak at the moment, and it's all thanks to a few little variables. So the first and biggest variable is of course Stonksy, that you see on the screen at the moment. If you don't know what Stonksy is, it is an all-in-one trading indicator. It's got many different features and many different working parts, but essentially it is your guide in the market. It's your guide for momentum, trend changes, obviously catching the biggest, most volatile moves, and we obviously have it packed full of features. You also get access to the Discord server. You also get access to the trading bots as well, and of course the oscillator too. So it all goes hand in hand, and we have just made some big update to the oscillator. You can come and get that on this video here. Come and have a look at it, the big trading signal that the oscillator shows now, thanks to the latest update. But yeah, obviously we utilize Stonksy on stream, whether that be in the background color change, the channels, the oscillator, looking at the automated SR lines it draws. So if you do struggle with drawing support and resistance lines, this does it for you automatically. It's packed full. It really is packed full of features, and obviously indications to show you what's happening in the market. So it's definitely worth getting if you haven't already. There is a link for that in the description, and you can get yourself 20% off your first month as well. That is this one. When you come to the website, it's this one that you want to get you 20% off, and you put code BOT20 in at checkout to grab that and come and enjoy all the features. Like I said, you get access to the indicator, the oscillator, the Discord server, and the trading bots on that plan, or any of the higher plans. It is only the oscillator only plan, which is obviously you get just the oscillator and Discord access. But yeah, obviously utilizing Stonksy on stream, looking at it, what's it doing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, alts. You can also use it on stocks. If you do trade gold and FX as well, you can utilize it on that. You can put it on anything that you can pull up on TradingView on a chart. And of course, aside from utilizing Stonksy, there is obviously a portion of my own opinion and TA that I put on to it. And of course, listening to the audience. You know, I regularly ask, we do a poll each day asking what everyone thinks. Obviously, everyone's free to comment in there, regularly asking what's everyone's thoughts on the market, what do you think Bitcoin's going to do, ETH, whatever it may be. So there is an aspect of listening to everyone and thinking, you know, if I've got a personal opinion or Stonksy showing something and everyone else is saying the same thing, or a few people are saying the same thing, then obviously we can take that and kind of have it as a collective trade too. So it's definitely worth getting involved. And like I said, obviously BLOFIN, fantastic exchange. They use the slogan where whales are made. So if you want to trade like a whale, then you've got to act like one and obviously trade where they would. So come and join BLOFIN as well. But there's going to be plenty of BLOFIN content coming too. Going to be really running through all the features that I utilize on the platform, and of course hopefully growing this account. Let's obviously hopefully grow it towards $1,000, maybe even higher, and obviously do that live on stream in front of everyone. So there's nothing hidden. There's no tricks or whatever like that to grow it without doing it transparently. So if you do want to see that, like I said, join the streams, and of course come and join me, trade at the same time on BLOFIN. But that's everything for this video. Big thank you for joining. Make sure you do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and of course click them links in the description. Grab your BLOFIN account, grab your Stonksy account, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.